how to create a board on Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Click the plus button on your dashboard and select New Board. Give it a relevant name based on your project, such as Marketing Plan or Task Management. 2. Choose a board type. Main, visible to all members. Private, only for invited members. Or shareable, for external stakeholders. 3. Add relevant columns to organize tasks. Choose from status, due date, assigned to, and priority to structure your board effectively. 4. Populate the board with tasks. Click on a row to add task names, descriptions, and any necessary details to keep everything clear. 5. Assign tasks to team members. Use the People column to designate responsibility, ensuring accountability for each task. 6. Customize board views for better tracking. Switch between Kanban, calendar, and timeline views based on your team's workflow needs. 7. Use automation to streamline board management. Set rules like, when a task is completed, move it to the Done section to keep everything organized.